Hello everyone, welcome back to Nth Byte. In today's video, we're gonna dive deep into the world of intelligence, mainly human intelligence, artificial intelligence, and machine level intelligence. So let us learn by getting to know what sets them apart. Meet me, our Alexa, and our trustworthy cleaning robot. So firstly, what is human intelligence? So human intelligence is characterized by complex abilities, so including consciousness, problem solving, creativity, and understanding the emotion. On the other hand, Alexa represents AI. Unlike us, it does not have any emotions. But AI like Alexa are designed to understand the natural language and perform a specific task, like playing a music, answering your questions, and even controlling the smart home devices. Hi Alexa, how are you?
My Sunday's been sensational.
Okay, Alexa, can you play me a song?
Here's a mix for you on Amazon Music.
Lastly, a floor cleaning robot. So this embodies the machine intelligence. Specific instructions are fed into it before design so that to perform a repetitive task. That means, so this is solely designed to perform a cleaning task.
Initiating.
While each of the different form has its strength and limitations, combination of this all three intelligence can lead to many opportunities and innovation in the field of transportation, entertainment, and many other fields. So guys, thanks for watching this video. For more insight like this, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.